Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Radwan and I'm here just to start some tutorials about PHP programming language, and I'm calling it PHP from scratch. I plan to take you from the very beginning level up to the advanced level. So let's get started. First thing I want you to know is about PHP. It's a language mainly used for developing web applications. Okay, it can also be used for desktop applications, but it's mainly for developing web application. A web application means websites. Okay, and it's a server side programming language. Means everything happening exactly on the server, not on the client machine, unlike JavaScript, everything happening on the client machine, on the visitor machine, not on the server. Okay, so it's PHP is called server side programming language. In order to install PHP, and use it with web applications, we have to use Apache also, and we have to use PHP, and also we need to use MySQL or MySQL, if you like to call it. Okay, you can download all of these separately, but I'd recommend you download them together because there are many developers on the net. They provide this combination together. Okay, so let's get started with this first step. I have here a machine that's I just installed. I just installed Firefox and Chrome here and nothing else. Okay, so first thing we go to Explorer here. Yes, and we go to search for WAMP. Okay, WAMP is means Windows, Apache, MySQL, PHP. You are going to have all of them together for the Windows platform. Okay, also you can use another software. It's called XAMPP, like that. Okay, as you can see. Okay, it's also Apache and the same group, but another provider. Okay, so let's stick with WAMP. Okay, we go this searching for WAMP, and we go here, found this one at the beginning, so we go to download. Okay, mm, as you see here, I don't want, because this is still new machine, don't show me this message again. Okay, here we see we have two versions, one for 64-bit and the other one is 32-bit. I'm going to take the 32-bit, and 32-bit, by the way, it should work fine even if your machine is 64-bit. Okay, but my machine here is 32-bit, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to download it. Okay, then the download should have started here, but I don't like this one. Don't show me this message again. I like to take it directly from here, direct link. This one better. It's about 19.6 megabyte, so I will save it here, and I will pause the video until download is happened. Okay, it's done. Okay, okay, I'm back. As you can see, download already done. I close this one, then I go to, it's here. Maybe you cannot see this area, so I bring it here to sorry, for you to see it. Okay, I just double click on this one. Some security question. Okay, run. Okay, and go next. I accept the agreement. It will be installed in C1. You need to know this directory. Okay, later we are going to use it. All of our work going to be in this directory. Okay, so next. Okay, okay, quick launch. Okay, okay, no problem. Then install Okay, as you can see here, it's installing many things for you. MySQL, as you can see here, also PHP now is installing PHP. Okay. Firefox has been detected. I would like to use it for default browser. No, I don't want. Okay, I don't want this one because it's okay. It asks me if you have Explorer. Yes, I have Explorer. Please choose your default browser. It should be this one. Let me see. Here, because you are going to use server, this is a security for server. It's going to ask you, this machine is going to work as a server. Are you going to allow that? You have to allow it. Okay, unblock. Then it will ask you for your email and your SMTP host. Okay, you have nothing to do but just click next. Launch. Okay, launch it. We have done already finished this one. Okay. Maybe you cannot see this one because the screen here, it has been already installed here and it's running. Okay, it asks I'm sorry because this one is down the screen, you cannot see it, it's near the clock. So just it asks me what language here. Okay, I'm going to use English for this one, and that's it. I want to make sure it's working or not, so just I go open new browser here. Okay, then I type here, and instead of this Google I type localhost, like that. I see something happening here, that means it's installed. Okay, and it asks me for some configuration, and it's also telling me that you have PHP my admin. I need to check PHP my admin, see if it's working or not. Okay, this is PHP my admin. PHP my admin is going to be used for database. Okay, we here, this is default databases generated by the script PHP my admin, and by MySQL as well. Okay, so everything now is going to work fine. Okay, now let's see my computer here. Okay, I go to local machine here, C drive. This is the directory I told you it's important to know where is it, because all of our work going to be here. Okay, now we are here in the directory. As you can see here, there are many folders. Okay, and what I care about it here is this one, the www. Okay, this is the one we care about it for the moment, because all of our applications, all of our scripts should be in this folder. Okay guys, this is the one. And as you can see here, the page just we have seen now, where is it? This, not this one, sorry, this one. Okay, the script that generates this page is this one. Okay, so if I just deleted this one, I'm gonna delete it. Okay, and I refresh this page, I should have, the page is not available. Okay, as you can see, the page disappeared. Okay, but now I'm indexing the folder, this one. So all of our scripts is going to be in this folder. Okay, and how I reach them, I go here, http localhost, then I choose a file. Okay, now let's start with a small test. Also, now it's confirmed that Apache is working, PHP is working, and MySQL also is working. Everything is working fine. So now let's go to start very little application. Okay, it's something like hello world. but it's I not hello world in fact. It's going to be something else. Okay, just go to new, then text documents. Okay, PHP, all PHP applications or scripts can be edited with any text editor you like. Okay, any text editor. So in this lesson, I'm going to use Notepad. I'm not gonna do anything but using Notepad this time. Next lesson, I'm going to install another software just to help me to edit the scripts. Okay, so this is just a text, new text. I just created new text. I'm going just to edit it. Very easy. This is a Notepad, nothing strange. Okay, any PHP script should start with this sign. Okay, this sign, less than, then question mark, then you type PHP. Okay, this is the beginning of the any PHP script should start like that. Okay, and should end with this one. Okay, question mark, then greater than, so that the server knows this is a PHP script. Okay, when you do that, is that clear now? We are going to use this a small function. Okay, it's built-in function. Okay, just to test something. Okay, so the function name is called PHP info, like that. Okay, and I have to close the brackets like that. Okay, and semicolon. Always remember, in PHP, always your line must end with semicolon. Okay, otherwise you will have error. Okay, and that's it. Now I close this one. It will ask me if I want to save. Yes, I want to save. But now we have a problem. What's that? The server should know this is a PHP script, so I have to change the name to have the extension PHP. I will call it whatever I want. I call it info, for example. Info is this a name I choose. Okay, it's not because of the script itself has info. I have to name it info. No, you can choose whatever name. Okay, then this is the most important. You have to the extension must be PHP, like that. Okay, it asks me to change it. Yes. Now if I go to this web page and I just click refresh, okay, now my info is there. This is the file I created. I can just click on it like that directly. Okay, and you see, this is a script, first script I have created. This script is a built-in script, or sorry, built-in function. It will generate all of this page. You have done only one small line of code. Okay, this gives you information about the PHP itself, installation, and where is it, and what's added. You see, it's a very big page, as you can see. You see, and was our first script. If I do want to click on this one, as I said before, just type the name. Okay, just type the name here, like that, info. It will complete for me info.php. Okay, just to show you that I can change the name also. It's not I call it one, for example. Now it was info. Don't think it's info because it has function info. Now I will call it one. Okay, one.php. Okay, any name you want, but must end with PHP, at least for now. Later maybe you can change this as well. Maybe when you become advanced programmer you can change this as well, but for now it's going to be one dot ends with PHP, like that. Where is the dot? I forgot the dot. And also we got the same thing. This is for now. I hope you enjoyed this one. In the next tutorial we are going to install a PHP editor. Okay, and I'm going to go to install NetBeans. For that you can choose any text editor. See you later then. Bye.